Guys, I'm Tony C from Folk Auto Magazine. We hope you guys have a great time. Registration for the bike show is open till 3. We need some ladies' bikes. We only have 1 or 2 ladies' bikes in there. If you want to put a bike in the class, let us know. Come over and ask. We got questions. We got answers. We don't want anybody passing out.
Hold that. That's perfect.
Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Yeah, I'm sorry for the wait. Didn't think I'd come up, y'all just need a little faith. I've been patient, just waiting on the river with an ace. Gotta move real careful, we coming surveying the place. I touch down in your city, that's a rival. Y'all got one thing on your mind, it's survival. But if you wanna take a shot at the title, call the medic, we checking your vitals. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Let me tell them one time. Said I'm all in my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, feeling real good, yeah, all in my prime. It's about that time, say your goodbyes, cause ain't no match for the way that I grind, yeah, I'm all in my prime. Prime time, we mile high, the gate closed. Same city as Royce and I mean woes. It's flatbeds for the checks, that's a bank rolls. I've been killing it, I'm guilty, case closed. Yeah, y'all are too basic, my reputation, borderline amazing. Good things coming, they just need a little patience. Ready for whatever, all you gotta do is say when. And my eyes on the prize, I visualize. I ain't ever taking a break, you taking 5. Even if I ain't got it, know that I'll make the time. On my next move by the time that the ink will dry. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this is my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this is my prime. Let me tell them one time. Said I'm all in my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, feeling real good, yeah, all in my prime. It's about that time, say your goodbyes, cause ain't no match for the way that I grind, yeah, I'm all in my prime.
Oh, now I can see your tat.
Do a front wheel shot for me. One front wheel.
I don't like the shredded attitude.
I mean, I like it. I like it.
You look better without this one.
Yeah, but when you're wearing your daisy boots, you can't see that.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah. That's right. It's so better.
Doing good.
Now you want commentary that like I'm surrounded by beautiful women, I'm surrounded by beautiful bikes, I'm surrounded by beautiful people, and we're here at Leesburg right now.
Her hair's blowing. Her hair's blowing. I love you, but shut up. Watch out for bikers.
Mural.